Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Sorry guys, I could not upload my regular video yesterday because of the technology issue, so I'm going to be sharing with you today's and the yesterday analysis review. Today is the 12th of March 2021 and Blessing Friday. Let's dig into the system and let's see how I analyze both days. Alright, so just quick recap guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade and provide live intraday analysis through the system, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Alright, let's move on to the three major currency pair. Let's see in the Euro USD in 4-hour. You can see here, as I mentioned on Wednesday evening, if the price is going to break this level and respect this weekly, before was a weekly resistance and broken, so we were long here and banked beautiful pips until the price hit this major resistance level, and afterwards we also had a short trade. Being an intraday traders, we have taken both opportunities, long and short. Let me share with you the analysis of the Euro USD for last 2 days. If you look at here, we were long. As mentioned, we have up channel, beautiful breakout long trade, and afterwards, as soon as we had a very small counter short trade, as when the price developed head and shoulder pattern, sideways market breakout, short trade. But afterwards, today we had a beautiful, when the price basically developed a false breakout, and if you look at here, price develop a false breakout, and afterwards, as I mentioned, my traders look for the pullback. So this morning we had this analysis around 7:30, just before London market open. I said to guys, look for any pullback if the price is going to develop any pullback, because the momentum is developed bearish and price was hitting this major resistance level. So we explained to trader, take all the pullback. So we had a beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to the first target, we announced to traders to bank beautiful pips on Euro USD. So you can see we had a both long and short trade, intraday trades on Euro USD. All right, so moving forward, as I mentioned, if you see here right now, the price is at the weekly resistance level. You can see if the price gonna break above that, then probably going to be taking a long, or if the price can respect this level, probably they're going to be taking a short trade here. And even if you look at here, the price is developing another sort of like a triangle pattern. So we're looking here, and even if you look at from here, you can see here we had another triangle pattern. So safest trade would be look for the breakout. But being an intraday trader, as I said to you guys, we are more need trade with our intraday system. As you can see here, price is broken this 200 EMA in intraday system. If the price is going to respect this one, then probably going to be taking a pullback long, and if the price break and retest, give us the confirmation, then probably going to be taking a short trade here. So we'll let you know on Monday in Euro USD. Pound dollar, if you look at in 4-hour, as I mentioned you on Wednesday evening, the price is heading towards 140 level. From there, probably going to be taking a short trade here. So we had both long. As soon as the price stay above the 100 EMA, we have taken a long trade here until the price hit to the daily resistance and 140,000 level area. After that, you can see here price develop bearish engulfing candle. So we had a both long and the short trade here. Today we were mainly short and we have taken all the pullbacks. So let me share with you the analysis of 2 days analysis of pound dollar. You can see here we were long, as you can see, pullback, and afterwards we have taken all this pullback. As long as the price stay above the 100 EMA, we have taken all the pullbacks. You can see here, as soon as the price develop another pattern, we keep telling all the traders to bank some profit. All this analysis, basically, as soon as the trader asks, we broadcast that intraday analysis instantly, and we're telling to bank some profit. And today we have taken this as soon as the price hits 140,000 area. And this morning when we started our day, as you can see, the price hit to the 200 EMA 7:31. We explained to traders look for the pullbacks, and we explained to trader just keep taking a pullback because the price was as below 100 EMA in 4-hour. And after this one, as I explained to trader, if the price is going to respect this orange EMA, we're just gonna keep taking a pullback. So you can see a beautiful one pullback, 2 pullback, and 3 pullback. Beautiful short trades on pound dollar today. and some of the traders banked beautiful pips today. And if you look at here afterwards at the New York session, we had another beautiful pattern breakout and short trade on pound dollar. So moving forward, if you look at right now, the price is look like it's respecting 200 EMA, and which is the previously support level. You can see here price respected previously, and if you look at here, the price is came back to, again, this is the resistance level, price respected previously. So being an intraday trader, if the price is going to break this level, then probably going to be long. Otherwise, after the breakout, pull back short, then we're taking intraday, taking inside pullback short trade here. So we'll let you know on Monday on pound dollar, dollar CAD. If you look at here on pound dollar, on Wednesday, as I mentioned you guys, that the price is developed another consolidation. We can see we had a huge consolidation here, and this is the pattern was developed and the price broken. We had a beautiful short trade. We had another small long counter long trade, but today we were waiting for the news. After the news, we have taken the short trade here and banked beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the previous level, which is the low level in February this year. We explained to trader to bank some profit on EURUSD. So sorry, dollar CAD. So let me share with you the last 2 days analysis of dollar CAD. Okay, so you can see this was the analysis on on Thursday. Beautiful pullback. You can see here price nicely develop a pullback, beautiful pullback short trade, and afterwards we also had a very small counter long trade. And today we had this analysis because, as I said to you, we have high impact news for the CAD today, around just before at the New York session, and afterwards we explain once the news is released. You can see this is the news reaction. Afterwards, price developed another triangle pattern, symmetric triangle pattern. We explained to traders to take a short trade, and we have another beautiful pullback short trade. And as soon as the price hit to this level at the weekly support level, we explain traders to bank some profit. So you can see we had a beautiful short trades on dollar CAD. We have maximized the whole opportunity, both long and short, based on the 4-hour. As you can see right now, the price is hitting to the support level. There's a two possibilities. One, you can see here price broken, price might gonna hit this level and pull back short trade here. Otherwise, there's a still possibility if the price gonna break the previous low, then we're gonna be taking a pullback short trade here. So we'll let you know on Monday about the dollar CAD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis, rest of the pair in real time with a live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform in real environment. The whole objective is to train trader with the live trading environment where they can see all that analysis, intraday analysis in real time, so they can understand the patterns subconsciously and they develop their skill, and they can also practice in our virtual platform, so which we can give them feedback. As you can see, the pound dollar, we had one of my traders bank 172 pips. You can see most of them in the pound dollar and pound yen, and all of them is pullbacks and breakouts. You can see here this was the pullback. As I mentioned you, this is the entry level, this is the exit. Bank 35 pips and beautiful all three trades, and the fourth one is came out at the break even. So that's basically, we keep an eye all their trades and we give them feedback in real time to all our traders, helping them to develop their trading skill. Even if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can effectively develop your trading skill. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is all price action based on the 4-hour and intraday, which we also provide all the full training how to use our intraday system and to maximize the potential. So most welcome, guys, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice weekend and evening and stay blessed, and I'll see you on Monday. Take care.